Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another video, and today I just wanted to share with you a project we did with Pretty Gets Gritty at the craft group that I attend once a month. She was our guest speaker, and it took some doing because there was lots of issues, not with her but with us, and we finally got there in the end, and I'm so glad that we did because I absolutely love this piece of work that we did. Everyone's was different, even though we was mainly all working with the same dies, but obviously there was a couple of ladies who didn't have this die and they just used some of the dies that they had at home, and theirs turned out just as wonderful. But I just absolutely loved it. I loved the whole day with Lynette and Taylor. It was just absolutely amazing. Now the dies we'd used for this, the main one was this Pretty Dream. I did try to do a haul video with this, but for some reason it only recorded 2 seconds of it. But obviously I'd packed everything away. When I come to edit it, it was done. So unfortunately that didn't get aired. And then you could also use this one, which I think it's Callis, I don't know how you pronounce it. Yeah, we could use this one to use in the background, but I opted not to do that, and I opted to use the texture paste with some stencils, and I went with like a script stencil, which is also a Pretty Gets Gritty. In fact, I don't think there's anything on here that isn't Pretty Gets Gritty. I did end up buying an embellishment pack. They brought a pop-up shop, and I was like, right, you've got to be really good, Jane, because you've got so many dies that you've never used, you're not to buy anything. Well, that didn't happen because I didn't have the embellishment packs. Couldn't find my mermaid pearls, so I ended up buying those. Yeah, and I just ended up buying a few bits, which has been opened because I've used them on here. But I also decided to purchase the more alarming die set. This is the A4 one, so it's going to be absolutely massive, and I just love it, and I cannot wait to make one of these. Unfortunately, it's going to have to be after Christmas because I have just got way too much going on right now, so I'll just have to bop that away. So that was basically all I wanted to do. So it's really a quick short video just to share with you what we've done with Pretty Gets Gritty with Lynette and Taylor. So I'd like to say a massive thank you for popping over and saying hi and watching. I'd love it if you'd please comment, subscribe, and hopefully I shall catch you in the next video. Bye.